everyone, I'm Laura from gosimpli.ca, and today I have a 10-minute apartment-friendly upper body HIIT cardio workout. Let's do it. Okay, I don't have a warm-up, so we're just going to jump right in. I can put a link to one up above if you'd like to do one. We're going to be doing moves 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and our first one is a walking up and out jack. So these are all mostly upper body moves with some legs added in to get that heart rate up. So it is a HIIT style workout without jumping, without bothering those neighbors, without hurting joints, but definitely getting that workout in and feeling the heart rate go up so we get all those excellent cardio benefits. You don't need any equipment, as you can see. And I will do my best during the rest period to let you know what the next move is coming up so that you're ready to go. Okay, so here's our first rest. You can go side to side, you can march in place, whatever works for you. And next up we're going to do up, up, down, down plank. So you're going to be in a forearm plank. And you're going to push up on one hand, and then go back to those forearms, and then switch and let the other arm go first. So we're just going to keep doing this for the whole 45 seconds. And try and hold that really strong plank, which means not only are we working those arms really hard, the chest, but those abs. Now, if you would like, you can definitely do this exercise from your knees, okay? Whatever works for you. Maybe you need to do a bit from your knees, and then you can hop back up. Or you can do the whole thing on your knees, or you can do the whole thing up. Okay, excellent. Next up, we're going to do tricep dips, and we're going to add a kick, again, to keep that heart rate up. I don't know about you, but I'm already starting to feel that heart rate go up a little bit. Okay, so we're just going to arms straight back behind us, elbows pointing back. You have to bend the elbows or else you're not working the triceps. And I just let my leg kick up every time my bum goes down. And again, the more muscle groups we add, the higher the heart rate goes. With no jumping, but still getting that heart rate up. We're also working those arms without any weights. You don't need any equipment, you don't need a band, you don't need a handheld weight, nothing. So you can do this anywhere. You can do it at home, you could do it at work, you could do it in an apartment or a hotel. Excellent. Next rest. And we're going to go to push-ups. So you can do them two ways. You can go full plank from your toes or from your knees. Or some of both. So if you're going all the way up, then you're going to come down and up, just like that. And if you'd like to go from your toes, from your knees, then you just put the knees down and continue. Whatever works for you. I am always working on that upper body strength, so I usually do a few from my toes and then a few from my knees. I'm feeling a little tired today, so I think I'm just going to stick with my knees for the rest of it. Just a few more seconds here. Excellent. So the next thing we're going to do is like we're flying. So we can call angel wings, bird wings, whatever works for you. So we just have our arms up and we're going to pull them all the way up and then fly them down. Okay, so we're going to go up and down. And you can keep your feet moving side to side like I am. It just keeps the heart rate up a little bit. Make sure the blood isn't pooling. And this one doesn't feel like much until, about now, when you've been doing it for 25 seconds already. And you're like, oh, maybe my arms are heavy on their own. So simple moves, Heart rate goes up. Get all those excellent cardio benefits. Only 10 minutes. Excellent. So next we're going to do a side arm push-up. So I'm going to start with my left arm doing the push-up. I'm going to start on lying on my side. Kind of dangerous. Feels like nap time. And get cozy. And this arm just sort of, I like to hold my side. And then you just push up and down. Now I have seen really strong, mostly men. I'm not saying women couldn't do it. I'm sure they can. But the ones I have seen have been strong men who can do this right off their toes. I can't even do it off my knees. I do it with my hip down. But feel free to play. If you're someone who has really strong, it's like all tricep working here, then go ahead and see if you can try one from your knees or from your toes. It is not something I can do. And I don't want to risk injury. So until I get stronger, I'm staying right here. Just a couple more seconds. Oh, that arm is burning. So we're going to do that on the other side. And again, lying down in this nice comfy position. Feels like we can take a rest, but we're not going to. Okay, and just go on the other side. You can do whatever you want with your legs. They can be perfectly straight if you want. You can have one straight and one not. Whatever's comfortable, really. Oh, that tricep is burning. We've done a lot of tricep work with the up, up, down, downs. Regular push-ups get some tricep. The tricep dips. Now these. We are really burning out those arms in just 10 minutes. Excellent. So next we're going to do a shoulder blade squeeze. So I'm actually going to show you from the back what that looks like. So you're going to put your arms out to the side. And you're going to squeeze those shoulder blades together. And you're just going to repeat that over and over again. I'm not sure if you could hear me. I was talking to the wall. So again, you're just squeezing those shoulder blades. And then putting the arms back out. And from the front, it just looks like you're really sticking your chest out. Really squeeze those shoulder blades behind. Giving those triceps a bit of a break here. Mine are feeling nice and worked. And again, I'm just rocking side to side, just keeping the blood flowing in the lower body. Excellent. And next up, we are going to do a tricep push-up. So I guess we didn't give them that much of a break. Now these I have to do from my knees. I can do about one from my toes. They're really hard. So I'll try that one to demonstrate it. So they go straight back and then up. Okay, you got to keep them tucked in close. And that's all I got. And then you can go down to your knees, and even from here, that's really hard. If you're not there yet, there is another alternative. You can go all the way down and just push up like you're doing a cobra stretch. And you're still working those triceps. Don't let your back pull yourself up. Use the triceps, but you're still working them. So wherever you are, continue. Whew. Just a couple seconds. Excellent. And we're on to our last move, which is like a close arm press pulse, or you may have heard it called a prayer pulse. So to put your arms together like you're going to pray, and we're just going to pulse up. So literally just pulse it up and down. You can do this sitting, kneeling, standing. You can walk around your room, try and distract yourself. And the point is to keep those elbows squished together, okay? So you don't want this. That makes it really easy. Squish together. And also not coming down here. You want it to start pretty high and then just keep going up. So about like chin level, and then go up to your nose with the bottom of your elbow. Whew. We're We're nearly there. This is our last exercise. Almost. Just 5 seconds to go, and then we're done. Oh, excellent job. We did it. We made it through all 10 minutes of the apartment-friendly upper body cardio HIIT workout. Let me know if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.